ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम नमो भगवते श्रीरमणाय। Hari Om. So yesterday Karshni asked a question. Who is said to be a fit person for this Atma Vichar? First question. And does one come to know that he is fit? So who is a fit? And how or when can one come to know that he is fit for Atma Vichar? These two questions. So Bhagavan Vacha Asya Pratyuttaram Aha Tribhi Slokaihi. In 3 shlokas, Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi answered these 2 questions. So, Sri Bhagavan Vacha, 9th verse of 7th chapter of Sri Ramana Gita. Upasanadibhi Shuddham Pragjanma Sukrutena va Drushtadosham Mano Yasya Sharire Vishayeshu Cha. Now, Upasana Devishuddham Pragjanma Sukrutena va Drushtadosham Mano Yasya Sharire Vishayeshu Cha. Now, who is the Hadikari? When one does become a fit person to pursue Atma Vichara, self-enquiry. Not everybody can do it. Who can do it? So he says, Upasanadivihi Adi Shabdhena Japastotra Pujanani Grahyani Taihi Shuddham Vita Kalusham Pragjanma Sukrutena va Atita Janma Swa Acharita Satkarmana va Shuddham Keshanchit Viralanam Upasanadini Vinayeva Manih Parishuddhyasya Sambhavat Pragjanma iti Vikalpaha Katitaha Sharire Vishayechusha Dehe Indriyartheshusha Drushtadosham Drushto Doshaha Anatmatvadi Yena Tat Manaha Yasya Bhavati Tam Adhikarinam Prahu iti Uttarashlokena Anvayaha. Now, Upasanadibihi, first one, Shuddham, meaning Adi, Upasana, Adi, etc. So one who has become extraordinarily pure through Upasana. Okay? Upasamipe. Upasana is worship with a nishtha, that every day you invoke the Lord. So, Adi Shabdhena Japa Stotra Pujanani Grahyani. So, Upasana Adi. Upasana is Manasam Karma. Upasana to Manasam Karma. Upasana means Manasam Karma. It's a top form of meditations. Upasana. But it includes Adi Shabdena because Adi is used here, etc. That means it includes Japa Stotra Pujanani. It includes Japam, it includes Stotra Stuti, It also includes puja. They include. So, ajanani grahyani. That has to be understood here. Taihi, by these practices, for long time, spanning over many lives, not in one life. Bahunam janmanam ante. So many lives of sadhana. Taihi, because of these practices, shuddham, vita kalusham. Shuddha means freed from all kalushas, sins, impurities. Free from all types of impurities. If you see such a person, he is like a pure white light, spotless. Spotless, pure white. Shuddham. Mind becomes so crystal clear, pure. Such a mind. So, Shuddham Vita Kalusham. So, one type. So, Upasana, you perform, mind becomes extraordinarily pure. Such a mind can withdraw and inquire, who am I? Then it is possible. So he is adhikari, number one. Or, va means or, atita janmasu acharita satkarmana va shuddham. Atita janmasu. So many good deeds performed in the previous lives. Because of the result of the performance of so many good deeds in the previous lives, life dedicated for the good deeds, pure heart, love, kindness, sympathy, empathy, service, and good being done without selfishness, greed, self-centeredness. Because of this, lot of good karmas done in previous lives. Then one becomes fit for this. We all have done some good karma, but still we have ragadveshas. We have likes and dislikes. We have our own ego problems. We have our own jealousies, comparisons, hatred. Think. So we are not 100% pure. If we are 100% pure, we will not find you here. You will be absorbed like Ramana Maharshi, Tapon Maharaj, in your own self. So, Atita Janmasu Acharita Satkarmana, because of the deeds, by the deeds of good deeds practiced in the previous lives, Shuddham. Keshanchit Viralanam. Keshanchit Viralanam. Virala means rare ones. Very rare ones. Keshamchit, like Bahunam, Manushyanam Sahasreshu, Kaschit. That Kaschit Shabda is Viralanam. Somebody, some rare ones who has practiced. That's why truth is revealed to the individuals. Truth is not revealed to a crowd. Think. There is no mass scale self-realization. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. Think. So rare ones, kaschit, somebody, some rare gem. That too, Manushyanam Sahasreshu, not 1,000 here. Some crores and among crores of people, somebody jewel. So diamonds are rare, no? You don't find in earth everywhere diamonds. Somewhere rare things, occasionally you come across a diamond in some portions of earth. That too, very many categories are there in diamonds also. So some rare one, kaschit viralanam upasanadini vinayeva. Some rare ones, but some people upasana they do, they become purified. Or because of good deeds performed in the past life, they helped. So in this life, some rare ones, upasanadini vinayeva, without any practicing upasana in this life. No puja, no japa. Their minds are always absorbed. Manaparishuddhyasya sambhavat pragjanma iti vikalpa katitaha. So, because of the earlier practices, he is born with extraordinary purity. Very rare ones with extraordinary purity. So therefore, for them, in this life, they don't have to practice puja, path, bhajan, japa, struggle. Our sadhana is equal to struggle only. It is not done out of joy. It is done out of fear. It is done out of compulsion. It is done out of sentiment. It is done out of majburi. Oh, आज मैंने जप नहीं किया तो पाप लगता है. These are cheap minds. Cheap minds. These people, great. So, manaparishuddhyasya sambhavat upasanadini viradanam. Some people, pure ones, without any practice of upasana, etc. in this life, they are born with high degree of purity. Such people are fit enough for self-inquiry. So, upasanadi vishuddham pragjanma sukrutena va. Pragyanam sukrutena va, earlier practice has done, therefore in this life they need not go through the entire process. They are born pure, they are absorbed in their own self, naturally. Plus, sharire vishayeshu cha, in the body as well as in sense objects, dehe indriyartheshu cha, drushta dosham, drushtaha doshaha anatmatvadihi yena. And another one category is one who can very clearly see in the body, in your body, not others' bodies, in one's own physical body, plus the sense objects in the world outside, that they are filled with so many doshas. Dosha bhojishtam shariram, dosha bhojishtam vastuni. Plenty of faults are there. So, dosha drushtya murmuhum. See the faults again and again. Because no object has ever given me full contentment, no joy. Always it doesn't give me. Same object to me, so same person in different time doesn't give me joy. And same object to different person doesn't give him joy or her joy. So therefore, there is no sukham in the object. It is only a peculiar relationship between one's own mind and the object. And he thinks that in that object there is sukham. Actually, there is no sukham. It's a peculiar drinking, smoking, or eating, or all kinds of attachments to somebody is attached to articles, somebody is attached to a peculiar relationship with cutlery. Have you come across? People are attached to their cutlery. Use नहीं करते हैं. They don't use. Oh, this plate is so good. Shall I eat it? No, Swamiji, it is only for display. आपके लिए अलग से रखा हूं. क्या? पत्ते. But this plate is so good, why can't I eat in that? No, no, no. This is very precious. हाथ से गिर गया तो फिर पहले आप बाबा जी कुछ नहीं कह सकते आप सो. You will break it, and so I cannot. Cutlery, and they put a separate shelf for cutlery. And the house is small, they expand the room to accommodate the almirah so that cutlery can be displayed. Cutlery attachment. Some are fond of juta. Attachment. A peculiar attachment with some objects. So, Vishayeshu plus Shariram, Dosha Drushti. No object has ever given me any complete joy. No, it's a transaction. At that moment, that object may be useful. That's it. You may have rich, filthy rich, but water is not available to purchase. I can throw 1 lakh. Sir, होगा तो खरीद सकते हैं ना आप. पानी ही नहीं मिल रहा है तो क्या करोगे? So therefore, these two are important. Sharire vishayeshu cha dehe indriyarteshu cha drushta dosham. Drushtaha, seen. Doshaha, false are seen. What? Anatmatvadihi. That is, this is not a self. This is anatma. It is not atman. Yena, by whom? Tatmanaha yasya bhavati. जिसका मन ऐसा बनता है. माने जिसके मन में ये समझ में आ गया है कि शरीर में, अपने शरीर में और वस्तुओं में कई दोष छुपे हैं. So, too much of focus on the body. So, one of our acharyas very beautifully said, that is true. You practice more yoga and always body conscious. You become more body conscious. If you are a dietitian, you become more conscious of diet. Not the truth. If you are fond of the vehicle, you don't like journey. You are always fond of journey, bike, the vehicle only. Your mind is fixed in vehicle, not in destination. So you are so fond of the vehicle that you will never take out. It is always in garage. Once in a while, open it, give aarti to it, and come back. In one chappal shop, somebody kept chappal for about 1 lakh rupees, life guarantee. Somebody purchased. His friend asked him, यार ये तो 500 का भी कीमत नहीं है इसका, 1 लाख में बेच दिया, तुमने धोखा दिया है. वो भी गारंटी, प्रॉमिस भी कर दे, लाइफ गारंटी. हाँ, वो तो लाइफ गारंटी है. कैसे बाबा? इसी चप्पल को मैंने 1 महीने भी चला नहीं पाया, तो मुझसे तुम्हारी दुकान से लिया था टेम्पररीली, वो तो फट गया 1 महीने में. अरे बुद्धू, बिकॉज लाइफ गारंटी, वो कभी यूज नहीं करता है तो कभी खराब ही नहीं होता है. Think. This is our mind is. So, drushta dosham. Dosha anatmatvadihi yena tat manah yasya bhavati tam adhikaranam prahuhu iti uttara slokena anvayaha. This is sloka is to be understood in this way. That one whose mind started seeing faults in one's own physical body, plus the sense objects, or because of the Purva Janma karma, good deeds, or upasanas performed either in past life or in this life, mind becomes so pure. Because of that purity, you start seeing the faults in the body and also in the world around you. Such a person is fit for self-enquiry. Self-enquiry is antarmukhi vritti. When we are happy with bahirmukhatvam, how can I turn my attention inside? Okay? Uttara Slokena Artha. First sloka answered. Similarly, another sloka, who is fit enough for self-inquiry? Manasa charato yasya विषयेष्वरुचिर्भृशम् देहे च नित्यता बुद्धिः तं प्राहुः अधिकारिणम् मनसा चरतो यस्य विषयेष्वरुचिर्भृशम् देहे च नित्यता बुद्धिः तं प्राहुरधिकारिणम्. He is called as adhikari. He is called as a fit person for self-inquiry. इसीलिए ज्ञान के लिए अधिकारी में बहुत सारे क्वालिफिकेशंस चाहिए होती है. जब ज्ञान मार्ग पर चलना है तो आपको अधिकारी बनना है. भक्ति के लिए सब अधिकारी हैं. किसी भी स्तर से आप भक्ति का साधना आप शुरू कर सकते हैं. जहां है वहीं से शुरू करो. पुकारो भगवान का नाम, चिल्लाओ, रो, आर्तः करो. मगर आप इफ यू स्टार्ट एंटरिंग इनटू द पोर्टल्स ऑफ विजडम, हॉल ऑफ विजडम, then the sentiments and then all will go away. There is some kind of, that caliber is different. That product is different. That product is totally different. So he says, manasa saha charato vicharatah shanti shunyasya yasya purushasya. Now, one who is wandering in the world along with the mind, meaning जहाँ जहाँ मन ले जाता है वहीं चला जाता है. तो मन के पीछे नहीं, मन के साथ ही घूमता है. तो मन बोलेगा उधर जाएंगे, चलो. मन बोलेगा वो खाएंगे, चलो. मन बोलेगा ये पिएंगे, तो पियो, चलो, मैं तेरा साथ हूं. तो ऐसा घूमते 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 मन के साथ दुनिया में विषय वस्तुओं के बीच में घूमते 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 बहुत अनुभव प्राप्त करने के बाद, मार खाने के बाद, कभी एक व्यक्ति के अंदर ये होता है कि अरुचि ही बस, बहुत खाया, बहुत पिया, बहुत भोग लिया जीवन में, एनफ. जरावस्था पहुंच गया. तदपि न मुंचति आशापिंडम, वृद्धो याति गृहीत्वा दंडम. तदपि न मुंचति आशापिंडम, न मुंचति तदपि. बट somebody is blessed one. उनको समझ में आ गया कि ये घूमते 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 विषय वस्तुओं में अरुचि पैदा हो गई. एनफ, अलम प्रत्यय, बस एनफ. स्पृहा भवति. किसमें स्पृहा? देहे प्लस स्पृहा, वट इज अरुचि वस्तुओं के प्रति. डिस्टेस्ट फॉर द सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट्स, डिस्टेस्ट फॉर सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. देन देहे अनित्यता बुद्धिश्च, एंड दिस देह इज अनित्यम. देखो, एवरीबडी नोस, बट क्वेश्चन इज, are we aware of it and are we acting according to that awareness? These are the problems. If you touch anybody, हाँ हम जानते हैं, but these two are we aware of it by always, and are we living according to that wisdom or understanding. So you can go to home and do homework. If I really realize, truly realize this body is Nashwar, Anitya, impermanent, what would be my lifestyle or what should be my lifestyle? मेरे जीवन जीने का विधान कैसे हो? यदि मुझे ये समझ में आ जाती है कि ये शरीर नश्वर है, तब फिर मेरे जीवन जीने का विधान कैसे होना है? अब कैसा है? कंपेयर करके देखना, तुलना करके देखना है. ये समझ तो बैठी है, पर इसके अनुरूप व्यवहार नहीं हो रहा है. So therefore, dehe anityata buddhischa shariram nashwaram iti nischaya buddhischa bhavati. One who has got a firm buddhi, conviction. Everybody knows that everybody will die. हाँ, एक दिन मर जाएंगे. एक दिन नहीं, बेवकूफ, कभी भी मर सकते हो. तो एक दिन आज नहीं हो सकता है. 150 साल का भी हो गया, बोलते एक दिन मैं मरूंगा. 150 साल हो गया. 200 साल का भी बोल, एक दिन मैं मरूंगा. और 70 साल का भी बोलते हैं मेरे जब बुजुर्ग हो जाऊंगा. अब तक तू जवान है क्या? इन माई ओल्ड एज बोलता है. अब तो उम्र क्या है? 75. शर्म नहीं है? वी आर ऑलरेडी इन ओल्ड एज. मेरे बुढ़ापे में क्या होगा? क्या होगा? तू अभी कहाँ पर है? तू अभी जवानी जाने वाला है क्या तेरा? सो साइकोलॉजिकली वी फील वी आर नेवर ओल्ड. You postpone death. This is another trick of the ego. Trick of the ego. It gives you a feeling you are eternal on earth. This knowledge, information के रूप में सब जानते हैं मैं एक दिन मर जाऊंगा. वो एक दिन आज भी हो सकता है, अभी भी हो सकता है ना. That we are not aware. So we conveniently push our death to tomorrow, day after, next year, after 10 years. So, tam adhikarinam prahuhu. One who sees aruchi towards the external objects and anityata, impermanence of one's own physical body, firmly noticed, then such a person is fit for self-inquiry. What happens in our life is, सजावटी के लिए ही ज़्यादा समय लगाते हैं. See, you get so tired for preparing the puja and decorating the altar, and actual time of puja, you are out of tiredness, you sleep. तीन घंटे सजावटी, सजाया, बहुत अच्छे से सजाया, दिखना है, अच्छा दिखना है. बैठ तो गए मंदिर के सामने, बैठे के बाद होता है कि नहीं? मेडिटेशन रूम सजाने में 2 साल लग गया. मेडिटेशन कभी होता नहीं. इधर तस्वीर वहाँ रखे, वहाँ से इधर रखे, ये गुरु इधर से देखे, वो गुरु उधर से देखे, ऊपर से गणेश जी देखे, बाएं से लक्ष्मी देखे, वो इधर देखे, वो इधर रखता हूँ, इधर रखता हूँ. थोड़ा लाइट ज़्यादा हो गया, पंखा कम करना है, छोटा सा पंखा लगाना है, हल्का हवा करना है, थोड़ी सी एसी भी रखना चाहिए, छोटा सा हल्का सा. एंड कुछ अच्छा कुशन बनाना है. कुशन नहीं मिल रहा है, ढूंढ रहा हूँ कुशन. किस लिए भाई ढूंढ रहे हो? बस जान के लिए. बैठने में थोड़ा अच्छा कुर्सी नहीं मिल रही है, बस ये सब मिलने के बाद मर गया. We waste a lot of time in unwanted preparations. If you are really sleepy, do you search for a bed? No. कुर्सी बैठे बैठे अब नींद लग रही है, थोड़ा सो जाऊं. Unenviable position. गहरी नींद, उठने के बाद मजा आया, फोटो खिंचाया ना, दिस इज योर पोजीशन ड्यूरिंग स्लीप। मैं ही था क्या, तू ही था, ऐसे सो रहा था, हाँ ऐसे सो रहा था, अच्छा मुझे पता ही नहीं लगा। इफ यू आर टू हंग्री, डू यू वेट फॉर गार्निशिंग द फूड, decorating the food, or wait for apple to cut and put it in like a flower and then put some powder and everything in that and dish it? भूख लग रही है, चल पे चल कर खा लिया कि नहीं? Grab it and eat it. If you're really hungry, do you need a starter? I don't know what is the starter meant for. Starter for hungry? To create hunger? तो मत खाओ ना, मत खाओ। Starter. Somebody is starting trouble also. पागल दुनिया है। स्टार्टर गेटर क्या होता है? दाल सब्जी खाओ सीधा नहीं, स्टार्टर पहले सूप, फिर बाद में कचड़ा, सॉरी मंचूरियल, वॉट एवर यू कॉल, सॉरी, उसके साथ एक लकड़ी का वो पिन देते हैं, फिर उसको लगाना है, उसके साथ में ये वो चटनी होती है, उसको डुबाओ, फिर ये कांदा खाओ, ये खाओ, वो खाओ, एंड छोटे समोसा खाओ, फिर मैडनेस। तब तक भूख खत्म हो गई। जो बना बना वैसे ही है। रियली हंग्री, यू डोंट वेट ऑल स्टार्टर गेटर एंड ऑल दैट। भाई दाल कहाँ बताओ, सब्जी कहाँ बताओ, चावल कहाँ बताओ, मैं स्टार्टर कुछ नहीं, सीधा स्टार्टिंग कर रहा हूं। आई डोंट नीड अ स्टार्टर। सो रियली हंग्री, वी डोंट वेस्ट अवर टाइम। सो वी वेस्ट अवर टाइम इन such kind of things. So such is person. So aruchi towards sense objects, distaste, plus the thought of impermanence of the physical body, these two are firm, then one is fit for adhikari. Now second question, can one know that he is either fit enough? Yes, one can know. When is that one person can know that he is fit enough for Atma Vichara? That is self-inquiry. In 11th verse, Bhagavan says, Dehe nashvarata buddhehe vairagyat vishayeshu cha एताभ्याम एव लिंगाभ्याम ज्ञेया स्वस्याधिकारिता देहेनश्वरता बुद्धेः वैराग्याद् विषयेषु च एताभ्यामेव लिंगाभ्याम ज्ञेया स्वस्याधिकारिता। सो अधिकार संपत्ति ही स्वयं ज्ञातुं शक्यते किम इति अस्य उत्तरम महः शक्यते एव इति। When asked a question, can one adhikari, fit person can know that he is fit enough for the Atma Vichara? Yes, one can know. When? How? First one, Dehe Nashvarta Buddhi Ekam Lingam. First sign is, this body is impermanent. It is being destroyed. Being destroyed, moment to moment it is going away. Moment to moment it is dying. Therefore, what all we do in life, for body's sake only, no? घर किस लिए बना है? Thinking that मेरे घर, me means body. मेरा खाना, me means body. मेरी joy, me means body. या घूमना चाहता हूं, me means मैं घूमना चाहता हूं, me means body. देखो, मेरे लिए गाड़ी, me means body. So we have been living with this high sense of delusion that I am the body. Every action that we do is only thinking that I am the body. We are not aware that I am using this physical body. This is not me, this is my vehicle. This is not me at all. This body is being perished, being destroyed, being decayed. Think. That buddhi, if you have, I don't want information, everybody knows. एक दिन तो मर जाओगे, पता है? हाँ मुझे पता है. गुंडा नंबर 1 ऑल्सो नोस. मैं मरने के बाद ये एम्पायर मेरा जो मैंने राज्य बनाया, गुंडा राज्य, वो भी चला जाएगा, वो भी जानते हैं. सो यू कैन नॉट टीच हिम. पता है आप नश्वर है, तू बोले मैं जानता हूँ पहले से. एक दिन तो मर जाओगे, हाँ मैं जानता हूँ, इसलिए मरने से पहले हासिल करना चाहता हूँ. सब छूट जाएगा हाथ से, वो भी मालूम है मुझे, मेरे खानदान को दूंगा. भाई तुम मरने के बाद तेरे खानदान की याद ही नहीं होती है, कोई बात नहीं, चैन से मरूंगा. चैन से कैसे मरोगे? सबका छीन कर. You cannot teach philosophy. That is the best way. You don't have to teach anything to anybody. Everybody knows. कुछ बोलते समझ में मोटे होते जा रहा हूँ, ज़्यादा खा रहा हूँ. वो खुद ही जानते हैं मैं ज़्यादा खा रहा हूँ, मोटे होते जा रहा हूँ. आई एम फूडी. आज भी एक आदमी आया सुबह, समझे मेरा पेट बढ़ रहा है, आई एम फूडी. ही नोस ही इज अ फूडी, देयरफॉर इज अ मूढ़ी. सॉरी मूढ़, राइमिंग के लिए मूढ़ी, संस्कृत मूढ़, मूढ़ा, मूढ़ी संस्कृत राइमिंग, or moody in English. He travels along with mood. He knows. So what can you teach him then? What can you teach? To whom? There are two kinds of people in the world. One who already know that the body is impermanent, life is impermanent, कर्म पीछे भागता है, जैसे जो सो वो कर्म वैसा फल मिलता है. So many people know, so you don't have to speak to them. Others don't want to know, don't want to listen, so don't need to speak. So what will you do? Maunam sarvatra bhushanam. अब बताओ तीसरा कैटेगरी कौन है क्या? तो सुनने चाहते हैं, जानते हैं, स्वयं जानते हैं, उनको बोल के क्या फायदा? डॉक्टर बोलता है अल्कोहल इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ. मुझे पता है डॉक्टर साहब, दवा लिखो. लिवर खराब हो जाता है, लंग खराब हो जाता है, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, वो सब मुझे पता है, दवा लिखो. हाउ टू मेंटेन, दवा लिखो. ऐसे मूर्खों को क्या बोल सकते हो? अरे भाई यू आर मेकिंग मनी इन रॉन्ग इलीगल मीन्स, पकड़ा गए तो जेल में जाओगे, मुझे पता है. What can you teach him? There is no need. Those who don't want to listen at all, those who don't know, they don't want to listen at all. They don't want to meet you also. No need to teach them. So जानते हैं, no use. नहीं जानते हैं, no use. Before a great master has said, whom all you are teaching in life, not to me, in general, all spiritual teachers, whom all they teach, they are teaching whom? Those are already tuned to spirituality. Can you reach those people who are not interested? So you are not reaching them at all. So world is like that only. Therefore, first one, dehe nashvarata buddhi. Meaning, This body is being perished, aware of it, and live according to it. Number one. Then vairagyad vishayeshu cha. Vishayeshu vairagyam anyat lingam. Second sign is vairagya, dispassion. Vairagya, dispassion means what? Independence. Non-dependence on the objects. हाँ, तो भी चलेगा, नहीं तो भी चलेगा, काम संभालेंगे. That is vairagya. You are not bound. You are not bound. अरे टमाटर के बिना कैसे खाएं, प्याज के बिना कैसे खाएं, दही के बिना कैसे खाएं, अरे अपने लिए एक बड़ा घर के बिना कैसे जिएं, अपने लिए एक गाड़ी के बिना कैसे जिएं, वो भी एसयूवी होना चाहिए, उसके बिना कैसे जिएं. डिपेंडेंस. टुडे आई वेंट टू वन स्कूल, morning 7:30. So I spoke for about 1 hour 20 minutes on how to face exams tension free. That was the topic. Then a couple of questions asked by 12th class students, around 200 of them. So I was talking about competitions. It's not there at all. It's a myth. There is no competition at all. I proved a point. In a way, they all agreed. Yes. Then some boy said, suppose Swamiji, one post is there. I am alone trying for it. No one is trying for me for that post. Then I may not give my best. If 4 people are trying along with me, then I will give my best. Therefore, it is necessary 4-4-5 लोग एक ही जो पोजीशन के लिए लड़ना है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, तभी मेरा बेस्ट आता है. I said you are conditioned. That means your best is depending on external factors and pressure. It is the stupidest thing to do. Then I gave a simple example. On a mountain, a beautiful flower is there, bud. The bud unfolds. Not because bee will come, not because some gardener will come, not because some photographer will come and take the photograph. The beauty of the bud is in unfoldment. No matter who recognizes it or not. So your character, your personality is to unfold. If you say somebody is pressurizing me, then only I unfold, you are independent, you are depending on external factors for success. That is the stupidest thing to do. Be the best where you are. Unfold. Because if we are meant to unfold, every bud is meant for unfoldment. Whether recognized or not, bhad mein jaar duniya ko. It is my character, it's my nature to unfold and express my beauty in life. It is for my satisfaction. Whether others are competing with me or not, I don't want to depend. To give my best should become character. It should become my mark of my personality. These are the people manage. No, if people are with you, then only you do perform. What nonsense it's called? To unfold is my hak. I don't care whether you people recognize somebody else or not. Doesn't matter. It's my unfoldment, my beauty. All the people cry in the world, I am underutilized. They don't know my talents. Bhaad mein jao. They need not recognize your talent. If you have to be recognized, you will recognize. Otherwise, don't. But because nobody is recognizing me, why should I? Some people are there, why should I cook food when I am alone? Thappad maro. Enjoy food. If you want to cook food, cook for yourself. If find out somebody you can feed and enjoy yourself. मैं अकेली हूँ, खिचड़ी खाती हूँ, कल की. आप लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं. अरे अब मैं अकेली हूँ, बनाओ. तो मस्त बनाओ. कई लोग बोलते हैं अकेली हूँ. अच्छी बात है, आप सुन के सुधर गए. सुन के सुधर गए आप लोग. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं मैं अकेली हूँ, कल की खिचड़ी खाती हूँ. कोई हो तो तब बनाओ. How many people are there in the world like that? It is in my beauty to feed Atmaram and feed somebody outside. Somebody is required or what? कोई नहीं देख रहा है तो नो पूजा रिक्वायर्ड। भाई क्यों भाई? मेडिटेशन में ही the Gurudev used to say beautiful jokes, you know. Somebody want to create an impression that is a good meditator to his wife and children. You want to create an impression. So he goes to room and locks up himself. And he sits in one corner of the room so that nobody can see the keyhole also. In the door. He sits in one corner. And he sleeps there. But impression is, Papa meditate kar rahe hain. Achha. And they see in between through keyhole. Nothing is visible. Nowhere. The guy is not visible. After 1 hour, door is slowly opened. People are waiting. What is coming out, we don't know. Then they asked him, Papa, I could not see you. I am levitating. Gurudev, I am levitating. I touched the ceiling. Then I came down. And they create an impression that you are a meditator. कोई देखने वाला नहीं है, आराम से सो जाऊंगी. बच्चे नहीं है, कोई है घर में नहीं है, कोई जल्दी उठ के क्या करनी है, तो सो जाओ 8-9 बजे तक. भाई हो या ना हो, 4 बजे उठो. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. So we are actually not living the unfold. That's what I told the student. Yes, our existence is to unfold, to become infinite. Become means we are already recognized that we are infinite. That is my birthright. That's why Vivekananda says, spirituality, religion is the birthright of everyone. And what is religion? Manifesting divinity which is already in man. And that is the birthright of everybody. The birthright of everybody to unfold. Not because somebody is recognizing. People say, काम नहीं है तो आराम से उठती हूँ. कोई है ही नहीं घर में तो आराम से उठ सकती हूँ. You are all conditioned like that. Sometimes the Thakur speaks, आराम से सो जाइए, क्लास तो नहीं है ना, तो 4 बजे उठ जाता हूँ. आज क्लास नहीं है ना, क्यों उठा जल्दी? खुजली हो रही है. I used to ask me that question earlier. Now he चुप हो गया वो. बात नहीं करता ज़्यादा. You will not ask such questions. है ही नहीं, कोई नहीं, समझ क्यों उठ जाते हैं? बेचारा क्लास भी नहीं है ना, सो सकते हैं ना. As if जब क्लास है तो तब उठो, नहीं तो सो जाओ. क्लास हो या ना हो, it is my hack, my practice, that's it. So therefore, etabhyam vilingabhyam jnaya swasya. These two are symbols. Nashcharata buddhi, vishayeshu vairagyam. Dehe nashcharata buddhi, impermanence of the body, thought, and vairagya. These two, if you are very rooted, then one is fit enough for meditation. Which even one object is pulling me out, I am not fit for self-inquiry. One thought, one concept, one idea, one notion, one sentiment is pulling me out. I am not fit for self-inquiry. For self-inquiry, 100%, total mind should be withdrawn. Then rooted in self, do your vyapar. आप बाद में आता है. You can all your work, you can do your work. खाना खा सकते हो, घूम सकते हो, फिर सकते हो, बात कर सकते हो. Everything can happen. Okay, now another question. Karshniruvacha Snanam Sandhya Japo Homaha Swadhyayo Deva Pujanam संकीर्तनं तीर्थयात्रा यज्ञो दानं व्रतानि च विचारे साधिकारस्य वैराग्याच्च विवेकतः किं वा प्रयोजनाय स्युः उत कालविधूतये स्नानं संध्या जपो होमः स्वाध्यायो देवपूजनं संकीर्तनं तीर्थयात्रा यज्ञो दानं व्रतानि च विचारे साधिकारस्य वैराग्याच्च विवेकतः किं वा प्रयोजनाय स्युः उत कालविधूतये. Now see, question is, okay, we'll see comment. Snanam shastra vidhina kale kayasya bahya shodhanam. Snanam means what? Shastra vidhina. Shastra gives how to take bath. Shastra vidhi is there. Abhi now I will not go into all that. Though Shastra tells you how to take a bath also. Okay? So observing Shastra vidhi, take the bath. बहुत सारे मेथड्स है. पैर हाथ को पैर धोना है, सिर पे पानी नहीं डालना है, नीचे से पानी डालते जाना है, और भगवान का वो बोलते हैं जब सारे नदियों का इन्वोक करो, और फिर आप पहला कुछ लोग थोड़ा मुंह में मुंह धोते हैं, आचमन करते हैं, ये सब, फिर ये सब देन शुड नॉट टेक नदी बाथ आफ्टर गोइंग टू टॉयलेट. मैं बोलता हूँ जो मेरे साथ जब होते भाई तो नहा के फिर गंगा में नहाना है, वहीं धो लिया. बहुत सारे विधान हैं. We don't do all that. फिर अर्घ्य प्रदान करना है, और नदी में कौन सी भाव रखनी चाहिए नदी के स्नान में. हमारे पुरुषोत्तमानंद जी रहते थे, बोलते गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी बकेटेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु. अस्मिन् बकेटे सन्निधिं कुरु. मेरे बकेट में आ जाओ. बकेटेस्मिन् नल में बकेट बकेटेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु करके बोलते थे. नदी जा नहीं सकते रोज, तो यहाँ पे आ जाओ सब लोग. एनीवे, शास्त्र विधिना काले, काले मीन टाइमली, नॉट सूर्योदय से पहले होना चाहिए स्नान. बिकॉज पवित्र सूर्य के किरण पड़े हम पर, तो हम तैयार होकर शुद्ध होकर भगवान जी के लिए पहले से ही, भगवान सूर्योदय के पहले ही पूर्व न स्नान संध्यादि जप करके बैठना है हमारा मस्त. हमारा उल्टा चलता है. सन जग गए क्या? सन तो जगा हुआ है पहले से, कभी सोता नहीं. तू तो सोता है. काले कायस्य बाह्य शोधनम, प्यूरिफिकेशन एक्सटर्नल बॉडी. संध्या जपः, संध्यायोः विहितोः गायत्रादि जपः. त्रिकाल संध्या, त्रिकाल तो छोड़ दो, 2 बार, वो 2 बार छोड़ दो, एक बार भी नहीं करते आजकल. और हमारे क्या है, हमारे एक बड़े स्वामी जी थे, नॉट मिशन, बड़े महात्मा जी थे, वो तो अभी नहीं है. तो वो कहते थे, बड़े गीता प्रचारक थे, बहुत महात्मा जी थे, तपस्वी. वो कहते थे एक आदमी 15 दिन के लिए बाहर घूमने गया, तो 15 दिन बेचारा नौकरी के लिए कैंप में गए, फिर संध्या वंदन कर नहीं पाया. ठीक है, त्रिकाल संध्या छोड़ दो, 2 बार छोड़ दो, 1 बार भी किया नहीं. तो 16 दिन घर लौटा, फिर सोचा कि 15 दिन से मैं किया नहीं गायत्री, तो संकल्प लिया, ओम केशवाय स्वहा, नारायणाय स्वहा, माधवाय स्वहा, गोविंदाय नमः, अस्मिन मुहूर्ते, ऐसा कुछ करके मम गोत्रोद्भव से सब पढ़ के 15 दिन का गायत्री जब एकदम करिष्ये करके पानी छोड़ दिया। तो ये एकदम नहीं होता है। 15 दिन का एकदम कैसे हो सकता है? तो जीवन भर का ब्रेकफास्ट अभी खा लो, फिर खाना नहीं बनाना पड़ता है। तो महात्मा एकदम नहीं चलेगा, एकदम बिजनेस नहीं चलेगा। पंद्रह दिन का एकदम करिष्ये, ऐसा नहीं चलता है। होम अग्निहोत्रम, अग्निहोत्र नित्याग्निहोत्रम, and every day every grahastha should do agnihotra karyam, and agnihotra purifies the atmosphere with the mantras, the fire, the material, and the smoke that comes out, it purifies it. In fact, with that dravya material what we use in that homa, it purifies it. It is research proved already. Research has proved it. And that dhua, that agni, so the whole family remains healthy. In one house was not affected in Bhopal gas tragedy. चारों और मर गए थे सब लोग, इनको तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. So Kerlin photograph use करके निकाला. Then they found out a great, like white energy field in the house. पता लगा they do every day havan. So the entire thing has become veiled. No bacteria, nothing, no gas, poisonous gas could enter into it. Not only it helps in ozone layer protection, environment, therefore it facilitates devatas, gods to give us timely rain. It's a big science. So mantra, dravya, agni invocation, and time, early morning, every day, that one, it's a great tapasya. It's a science actually. Okay. Agnihotradi. प्लस वेद स्वाध्याय, वेदाध्यायनम, वेद का पाठ करना, देव पूजनम, संकीर्तनम, भगवान नाम जपनम, तीर्थयात्रा, गंगादि तीर्थयात्रा, तीर्थयात्रा पे जाना, पिलग्रिम टूर्स, टेकिंग द भजन एंड वर्शिपिंग द गॉड, प्लस पुण्यक्षेत्र यात्रा व पुण्यक्षेत्र यात्रा, यज्ञ, पंचमहायज्ञ, अग्निष्टोमादिर्वा, एवरीडे पंचदेव यज्ञ, पितृयज्ञ, नृयज्ञ, ब्रह्म यज्ञ, अतिथि यज्ञ, all those pancha yajnas are there every day. Or other yajna is what? Agnishtoma, but havan. Or then danam, anyebhya dravyarpanam, giving some wealth and charity to somebody. Vratani, chandrayana vratam, all that adi. Plus vairagyad vishayeshu iti sheshaha. Plus vairagyad vishaya, and vairagya in dispassion towards sense objects is to be understood. Now all these things are one side, right? All these practices. Now somebody out of vairagya, dispassion, born out of discrimination, vivek ke dwara vairagya. So one who has got discrimination, clarity in the buddhi, born out of vairagya, and because of these two, Viveka and Vairagya, one who had become fit for vichara, to him, what is the use of all these things? Kim va prayojana yasyuhu? So therefore he says, Vivekatascha atma anatmanoho iti grahyaha. Atma and anatma viveka. Chakara dvayabhyam api vichare sadhakasya cha prapta vichara adhikarasya purushasya iti yavat. One who has got eligibility to pursue the path of self-enquiry. We got eligibility. Uske liye prayojanaya kim vasyuhu, all these things above sadhanas. What is the purpose of all these things for him? Japa, yajna, yaga, tirtha yatra. Palapradane bhave yuhu kim? Are they useful? Does they produce any fruits for him? What is this? Athava or kala vidhutaye, or it is only time waste practices for him. It's a criminal waste of time. जप करो, पूजा करो, पाठ करो, तीर्थ यात्रा करो, हवन करो, होम करो, दान दो. All these practices, which people consider as great spirituality. It is not spirituality. It is only morality, ethics, responsibility towards society. So what is this? Are they important? Are they useful? Or are they mere time waste? Have you ever seen Tapon Maharaj doing Abhishekam? Not in Shiva Mandir. There's Upasana. He does it. Ramana Maharshi. Ramana Maharshi doing pranayama. प्राण का संचार क्या है? मन ही नहीं वहां पे. Have you ever seen Tikka also on Ramana Maharshi? Somewhere some people लगाया अलग बात है. He does not practice of that. Have you ever seen Puja Gurudev invoking the God and Guru before Yajna? No. He will sit and start firing speech. And I always amuse, sometimes he would start his Yajna with therefore. First word, therefore. Therefore कैसे होता है? You have to connect it to the last day's evening, last sentence. Therefore, having considered this Arjuna's condition by Lord Krishna, and he starts. Therefore क्या है? Having considered conditional. पिछले दिन नहीं आया तो गया. Om 3 times, Ganeshaya Namaha. He will never do all that. Siddha Purusha. जितना हमको पढ़ाया बहुत कृपा है. That will come later on. Therefore, what is the use? So, Bhagavan Vacha. Are they useful? They are useful. Not for the one, but the other people. किस के लिए काम आएगा ये? Bhagavan says, Bhagavan Vacha. Arambhinam kshiyamana raganam adhikarinam karmanyetani sarvani bhuyasyai chitta shuddhaye Arambhinam kshiyamana raganam adhikarinam karmanyetani sarvani bhuyasyai. अब देखिए, ये तानि शास्त्र विहित स्नान संध्या जपादीनि. शास्त्र विहित तस्मात् शास्त्रम प्रमाणे ते कार्य अकार्य व्यवस्थितौ. शास्त्र इज प्रमाण फॉर यू. Every electronic gadget you purchase, manual में open like this, press like that, left hand turn करो, right तो right होता है, वो होता है, ये करो, वो करो, and demonstration, watch the video, YouTube link. Why? शास्त्र. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा घुमा दिया तो प्रोडक्ट खराब हो गया. And YouTube video, suppose you see, they will start, this is the pack from the showroom and let me open it. And वो भी दिखाते कैसे ओपन करना है. Think, my dear. Shastra is required, na? Shastra is required. So therefore, etani shastra vihita snana sandhya japadini. Snanam, bath, japa, sandhya, etc. Karmani, all these activities. Arambhinam, for the beginners. Atma vicharam arabdhavatam. Those who are just started getting exposed to the thought called self-inquiry, only hearsay. For them, all these are all important. So now you decide, where are you? We are advanced seekers, Swamiji, just on the verge of realization. Then you can drop everything. So you choose any tree in Noida, close your eyes and realize. स्वामी घर पे बोलना था, बेड पे बैठ के पेड़ के नीचे क्यों बताया? यहाँ आसनात् नैव चलिष्यति कायमेतत् कार्यं वा साधयामि शरीरं वा पातयामि. Buddha says that let the body will not move till I discover the truth. With that resolution, he sat under Bodhi Vriksha. Shariram va patayami, karyam va sadhayami. Either I bury the body here, drop it, or I will achieve the truth. But I will not move from this place. हमारा भी रेजोल्यूशन होता है, पूरा थाली खत्म करके ही निकलूंगा. भाई तू तो ज्यादा खा रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास सारे दवा लेके आए हूं, हजम होने के लिए, भूख बढ़ने के लिए, सब कुछ. और वॉकिंग भी करूंगा थोड़ा, मगर छोड़ूंगा नहीं. 56 भोग अकेला खाऊंगा. बाप रे, आज आवर रेजोल्यूशंस इज रिजॉल्व. आरब्धवता फॉर बिगिनर्स के लिए दीज आर ऑल रिक्वायर्ड. न तो तत्र पदे पदे वर्धमानानां वृद्धानां वा. इट इज नॉट फॉर दोज पीपल, those who are already grown older ones, those who already tread a considerable distance on the path. This graph of practices slowly goes down, and at some stage there is nothing required. Chanting is not required, puja is not required, japa is not required, homa is not required. They are even, you don't even know that they are practicing anything. They are just always, they quietly sit. When everybody sleeps, he is meditating. And when you get up, he is sleeping. You think that he is not meditated, no practice. कैसे साधु है ये, सोता रहता है. या कैसे, what is this man is speaking, sleeping continuously, think he calls himself as a great man, बात करता रहता है. But he is a deep man. Maybe yes, we don't know. And then kshiyamana raganam, second quality is, first one arambhinam, beginners. Not those who have already tread the long distance, and for them not. Second is kshiyamana raganam adhikarinam. Those adhikaris, kshiyamana raganam, ragadvesha सब becomes कम हो गए. क्षीयमाण रागाणाम क्षयं प्राप्नुवन्नेव रागः येषां तेषां. For them, these practices will go down. Slowly, drop. Everything get dropped. Not required. Natu, for them, those who have redeemed themselves from raga and dvesha. Kshina raganam, siddha vairagyanam iti yavat. Meaning, those who have established himself, accomplished complete vairagya, because there is no raga dvesha in them. That means total dispassion, vairagya, non-attachment towards every damn thing in the universe, including the body. Such a vairagi, with no raga, no dvesha, no likes and no dislikes, such a person need not follow japa, homa, agnihotra, ityadi. It's all nonsense for him. It has no meaning for him. ठीक है. So, siddha vairagyanam, who accomplished complete vairagya, for them this is not required. So, adhikaranam ukta lakshana adhikara sampannanam natu asatyam api adhikara sampattau atma vichara prarambhinam. Some people, even though they are not fit enough for self-inquiry, they feel that this is best because out of laziness they need not practice any of this japa, homa, tapa इत्यादि. ये मार्ग तो अच्छा है, कुछ करना नहीं है. ऐसे लोग दुनिया में बहुत है. Their संख्या is good, growing day by day. They talk nonsense. So there is no vairagya. Asatyam api, there is no vairagya in them. Adhikarana sampattau, they don't have necessary qualifications. But they want to pursue this path. And they call themselves as great seekers of truth. Why don't you sit and quietly? No. But they don't have this kind of qualities in them. So asatyam api adhikara sampatti. Adhikara sampatti, qualifications, the wealth of adhikari. Shama, Dama, Uparditi, Diksha, Shraddha, Samadhanam, Sampatti, Shat Sampatti. In them it is not there. So Sampatti is not there. Asatya means in the absence of Adhikara Sampatti, Atma Vichara Prarambhinam. They started self-inquiry. Idrusham Purushanam, for such kind of people it is a must. Bhuyasyai Chitta Shuddhaye, Bahutaram Sattva Shuddhi Sampadanaya Prabhavanti iti Shesha. For those people, these practices are absolutely necessary to increase Sattva Shuddhi, purity of mind. Therefore, it is a must. Not only thinking, intellectual. They always logic, and then they think that they are progressing. So there are so many people in the world, including in our Chinmaya mission, all over the world. They talk big language, big questions, big thinking. They think they are thinkers, great thinkers. And I come across some people, those who criticize Homa, those who criticize this and that. There are rituals. Gurudev never said like this. ऐसे बेवकूफ लोग भी है. But they didn't know Gurudev only did Havan, Yajna, Yaga, the karmas, made him people do in his presence in the beginning. Later on, he didn't have time to do all those things, but he made them practice Japa, Homa, for those people. For him, it is not necessary. So we don't do such practices. Bahutaram sattva shuddhi sampadhanaya prabhavanti iti sheshaha. So, sadhikari sa adhikara atma vichara pravartanam arambhadashayam karma anushtanani chitta shuddhi pradani. So, sa adhikara atma vichara pravartanam arambhadashayam. In the beginning stage of the adhikari, eligible students, in their beginning stages, they are eligible because they got intense desire to practice spirituality, but impurities are there. They are committed, but impurities are there. So for them, karma anushtanani chitta shuddhi pradani. The practicing of all these karmas, what is that? Snanam, sandhya, japa, homa, swadhyaya, devapojanam, sankirtanam, tirthayatra, yajno, dhanam, vratani, all these things, purification is required. Natu karma eva paramiti manvanam iti bhavaha. And it is, chitta shuddhi will not take place for those people who practice karma not for chitta shuddhi. That means many people, karmakandis, practice karma not for chitta shuddhi. They want heaven, they want a result in this life or in swarga में भोगों की प्रति इच्छा के कारण लालसा. They practice karma for them. Naturally, they are after the hankering, after the results. For them, it doesn't give you chitta shuddhi. Because purpose of your karma is for a fruit. You are not surrendering all the fruits to Ishvara. Not for chitta shuddhi. By purpose, मैं कर्म करूँगा, पैसा कमाऊँगा, भोगूँगा, फिर कर्म करूँगा, कमाता हूँ, एंजॉय करता हूँ, कमाता हूँ, एंजॉय करता हूँ. So they are happy with that lifestyle. 10 पराठा खाता हूँ, 10 किलोमीटर चलता हूँ, फिर खाता हूँ, फिर चलता हूँ, फिर खाता हूँ, फिर चलता हूँ। फिर खाना क्यों, चलना क्यों? और कुछ अच्छे काम कर सकते हैं। नहीं, मैं खाना चाहता हूँ भाई, तू तो डायबिटिक है ना, खा नहीं सकते, कोई बात नहीं, मैं चलता हूँ ना, मैं शुगर हमेशा कंट्रोल रखता हूँ। कैसे? चलता हूँ। खाते क्या है? सब कुछ। So they are happy with that lifestyle. Like, in Western countries, 5 days work, 2 days enjoy, finish off the money. Earn some dollars and spend in parties. Again, 5 days work and 2 days spend. So their 5 days work is only for 2 days programming. Saturday कहाँ जाना है, कौन सा पार्टी है, कौन सा क्लब में जाना है, क्या ड्रिंक पीना है, क्या खरीदना है, किसके साथ जाना है. Think. So for them, चित्त शुद्धि won't take place. हाँ, दे आर वेरी ईमानदारी पीपल. हम काम करेंगे, पैसा कमाएंगे, ईमानदारी से कमाएंगे, और अच्छे से हम लोग एंजॉय करेंगे, भोगेंगे, फिर काम करूँगा, कमाऊँगा, भोगता हूँ, काम करता हूँ, कमाता हूँ, भोगता हूँ. फॉर देम चित्तशुद्धि वोंट टेक प्लेस. बट अदर पीपल प्रारंभ में बिगिनर स्टेज बट कमिटेड फॉर सेल्फ इंक्वायरी, बट दे आर नॉट फिट एनफ. So they do this work, puja, japa, etc. for self-purification. Atha कर्मणः चित्तशुद्धि प्रतत्वम निरूपयति. Now, very important. Now it is proved, shown that how karma with the right attitude when you perform, it leads to chitta shuddhi. That is proved. What is that now? यत्कर्म सुकृतं प्रोक्तं मनोवाक्काय संभवम् तत्तु कर्मान्तरं हन्ति मनोवाक्काय संभवम्. यत्कर्म सुकृतं प्रोक्तं मनोवाक्काय संभवम् तत्तु कर्मांतरम घंति मनोवाक्काय संभवम. नौ मनोवाक्काय संभवम, मनसो वाचः कायात् शरीराच्च संभवः उद्भवः यस्य तत् यत् कर्म. दैट कर्म विच इज born out of mind, वाणी speech, body, think, through body, speech and mind. Body, speech and mind, whatever activities are done, sambhava udbhavo yasya sharirat yat karma, that karma which is performed, practiced through body, mind, intellect, body, speech and the mind, anushtitam karyam sukrutam karma. Suppose good karma you have done through body, speech and the mind, proktam tattu tadeva manovakkaya sambhavam karmantaram anyat karma duskrutam iti yavatu hanti vyapohayati. So earlier, whatever bad actions, bad karma we have done through body, speech and the mind, right, that bad karma is annihilated by performing the good karma through the body, speech and the mind. अब देखिए, one important, whatever bad karma we do through body, the suffering also takes place through body. We abuse the body, we have to face the music of bad karma functioning on the physical body. वाणी के द्वारा जो पाप करते हैं उसका फल भी वाणी में ही, वाणी के द्वारा ही भोगना पड़ता है. खूब गाली सुनाया जीवन में, अगले जन्म में सब लोग चुन चुन के आकर आपको सुनाते रहते हैं जीवन भर. और यार तो यू विल हैव सम प्रॉब्लम विद द स्पीच, you cannot speak, stammering, or some kind of karma phalam around that region, or you may become dumb also. You have abused so much, then perhaps karma functions in that way. Or somebody may have decided, पिछले जन्म में बहुत The jiva decides, no, I will be born as a dumb this life. Why? Because I abused it, I overtalked, I tried to control my speech, but I could not. Too much of blabbering ho gaya hai. Because of that, I faced a lot of problems. I could not discipline my speech. Agle janam mein dumb, I will become mauna. So how? I will become dumb and take birth. The jiva will, karma, buddhi will propel him to take that kind of a janma. I know someone, I don't know how I know and all that. He was born blind. Then he asked one of the great Mahatma, why? Very great being. He asked him, Sir, Master, why I am suffering this? He said, well, let me tell you. Let me look at here. He said, let me look here. Within 1 second, let me look here. Oh, yes, he said. Immediately like that, he said. He said what? About 300-400 years back, you were a soldier. The king had sent you to collect some taxes. You went to a particular place and started asking them money. Somebody was rashly talked. Within your anger, you pierced his 2 eyes with your sharp fingers, and he became blind. Next life, you lived only for 19 years, and with the great remorse and sorrow, you could not contain that body. You dropped that body. In this life, you have decided by yourself that as an atonement, let me live one life as a blind man. Therefore, you are born blind. पूरा चरित्र सुना दिया उनका. ऐसा एक एक का कर्म, सब चीज का कर्म का कारण होता है. Not that पाप किया, डम हो गया, डेफ हो गया. नहीं, they would have perhaps decided like that. It's very karma is ghana karmano gatihi. But without a cause, there can't be an effect. So, whatever bad work you do through body, speech and mind, mentally you keep abusing, jealousy, hatred, wishing bad, and next life you will not have mental peace. Because the karma ka bhog, manasik karma, duskarma, has to be born in the mind only. भैया ये शास्त्र की बात मैं कह रहा हूं, आशामाशी तमाशा नहीं है ये शास्त्र. वेरी क्लियर, लॉर्ड्स लॉ इज वेरी क्लियर. मन से किसी को डांटा, गलती गाली दिया, मन से सबका ना अशुभ चिंतन किया, सबको नुकसान कराया, मन यू अब्यूज्ड माइंड, यू विल सफर मेंटली नेक्स्ट लाइफ. वाणी के द्वारा गलते गलते बातें, सबको पोकिंग, प्रोवोकिंग एंड हर्टिंग पीपल योर वर्ड्स, यू विल सफर थ्रू स्पीच ओनली. सबको धोखा दिया इस जन्म में, अगले जन्म में सबको सब धोखा देने वाले मिलेंगे तुमको. वेरी बैड स्टोरीज वी हियर. बोलते मेरा कर्म कौन सा कर्म है. We don't know what is to be done. So, whatever mind, body, speech and mind, good work you have done, it will annihilate the papa done through body, speech and mind. See, dushkarma. Jnanena to sukrita duskrita yoho ubhayoho pranashtihi. But with jnanam, with knowledge, jnana means not understanding information. मैंने गीता पढ़ ली, रामायण सुन ली, ये knowledge नहीं है. Awakening. When I awaken to the truth, then Sukrita, Duskrita, both are gone. Good gone, bad gone. Both are given up. I go beyond good and bad. Ataha, Duskrita matra nashaya, Sukritameva prabhavati. So, therefore, Sukritam, good deeds are only meant for destroying the bad deeds. It will not give you mukti. That's the meaning. मैंने दान दिया, दक्षिणा दिया है, मैंने अच्छा काम किया है, ये किया, वो किया, मुक्ति मिलेगी. मुक्ति के लिए काम नहीं किया ना आपने, अच्छा कर्म किया ना, तो बुरा कर्म हट गया, बस बराबर इक्वेशन. मुक्ति तो नहीं मिलेगी. हाँ, भगवान मुझे वैकुंठ में ले जाएंगे, खूब दूर दक्षिणा, दान दक्षिणा दिए हैं सबके लिए. बैड कर्म गोज, दैट्स इट. तो गुड कर्मा, थ्रू गुड कर्मा बैड कर्मा goes away. फिर ट्रूथ, you have to go beyond good and bad. How? Self inquiry. तो then why should you do good karma? Because bad karma obstructs your self inquiry. So bad karma obstructs your self-inquiry. So you have to do good. But by doing good, don't think that you realize the truth. I am so goody. परमात्मा में उठाएंगे, कहीं कोई अभी तक किसी को नहीं उठाया परमात्मा ऊपर, अभी तक किसी को ऐसा नहीं उठा दिया। हाँ, उठा सकते हैं, कहाँ अच्छे कर्म किया है तो भक्ति भगा उठा सकते हैं, कहाँ उठा सकते हैं? वैकुंठ ले जाएगा, थक जाओगे वापस आ जाओगे। बहुत बहुत थक गए उस वैष्णु भगवान को देख देख के। विष्णु बोलते हैं मैं तो क्यों आया, फिर क्यों, मैंने अपने आप को जानना है तो फिर जाओ साधना करो, जाओ। एम किंचित द्वैतम इज व्हाट, हाउ लॉन्ग यू सी, थक जाओगे। हु एम आई डोंट नो। सो दिस ऑल देयरफॉर शुद्ध सत्वानां कर्मणः अनुपयोगित्वे अपि किमर्थम कर्म कुर्वन्ति एके साधवः। ओके, बट शुद्ध सत्वानां कर्मणः अनुपयोगित्वे अपि, सो देयरफॉर for Shuddha Sattvanam, those who are extremely purified and no trace of Papa in them, for them, because they extraordinarily became pure, still they do karma. For what purpose? ठीक है भैया, those extraordinarily became pure. Shuddha Sattvanam karmanaha anupayogitve. For them, there is no use of doing karma. Anupayogitve api kimartham karma kurvanti eke sadhav. Some people, some seekers of that caliber, still they work. For what purpose? They don't need to work, na? They don't need to work. Kaam dhanda nahi hai. There is no need for them to do work. Why do they work then? This is a question. Therefore, this question means this is the answer is again given by, answer means not a question and answer. In the line of the slokas, this will come, this thought will come. This is the Anubandha Bhashya with 2 slokas by the author. तो किस लिए काम करते हैं फिर महात्मा लोग, वो कल देखते हैं. So tomorrow is the last day for this series. 24th December 2024. So tomorrow the last class of this year also. It will be. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.